Hey, it's day 5 of the Pin2Profit challenge. Oh my goodness, you made it. Most people don't finish what they started, but you're not like most people. So congratulations on being here on day 5. I am so proud of you. Here's the deal. Consistency is the key to having a successful and profitable business, and especially for using Pinterest for your business. And one of the ways I know how to stay consistent is through having accountability. Accountability is seriously everything. I know that you are a passionate and driven and high achieving entrepreneur. And I know that you want to be able to do more, have this crazy freaking awesome business that gives you the freedom to do what you want to do, travel the world, give back, make this massive impact on the world. And I know that you have been struggling. I know I was there too, where it's like you have all these different parts. It's like you're getting pieces of the puzzle, but you don't really have that strategy. And it's like you're picking at little parts of it and you're spinning, just trying to figure out everything on your own. Give me raise your hand if you've been there, because I know I have. It is so easy when you're in that spot to fall off the wagon, to say you're gonna do something, but you don't actually follow through. Have you been there before? So today, day 5 of the challenge, we're talking all about content and consistency. Now, here's the deal. If you want to have a profitable business and really succeed on Pinterest, you have to be creating high quality content. That's a fact. And here's what a lot of people don't understand. It's really quality over quantity. So there was a time back in the day where Google loved if you're posting every single day. And so they wanted you to just post. And things are different. And what really works well on Pinterest is creating really high quality content. The kind of content that builds a relationship with your audience, and they go through it and they go, dang, I just learned so much from that person. How else can I learn from her? And I want to give you an example of how this actually works. So I had one of my private clients, she actually found me on Pinterest. She went from Pinterest to my blog, read my blog post, and was wowed by what I provided, the free content. So she just kind of started stalking me and went through so much of my content. 3 days later, signed up to work with me as a private client and signed up to come to my live event, my VIP retreat, which was amazing. But that's the power of doing this the right way. You get to build that instant rapport and connection with your ideal client without actually having to be there in person doing Facebook Lives and all these other things. So that's why this is so important. It's so important that you stay consistent, that you're pinning on a consistent basis, that you're creating high quality content on a consistent basis. If you want my personal help and you want me to walk you through how we do this, I'm actually gonna be opening up a VIP session of Pin with Purpose. And so I haven't done this in over a year, and I probably won't do it again in another year, but I know how valuable it is to actually get feedback from the course creator. And so we're opening up for 6 weeks where you get to work with me and you get to get your pins reviewed and your content reviewed, your blog posts, everything. And it really could be those little tweaks that take you from struggling to get your stuff seen to 10xing your sales. It could happen that quickly when you have the right strategy. So one of my clients actually went through Pin with Purpose VIP the last time. She went through struggling. She literally almost gave up on her business. Not on my watch. And so after a couple weeks, gosh, I think it was 60 days, she told me, she went from struggling to making as many sales in one day that she did in an entire month. And she's just getting started. I'm like, dude, this is just the beginning for you. Oh man, that makes me so excited. So here's the deal. We'll be working together for 6 weeks. You can click on the link in your email or below this video to get started. The first 3 people that join us for VIP are gonna get a private coaching call with me. Your homework for today is think of 3 blog posts that are really gonna add value to your ideal client. And the kind of posts that have really worked the best for me is something where I'm teaching something. So it's how to yada yada. So one of my most popular blog posts, how to use keywords on Pinterest, where I'm teaching people how to use keywords on Pinterest. Or for my fitness blog, how to get started with intermittent fasting, or the ultimate guide to doing X, Y, and Z. Those kind of posts do really well on Pinterest. And then homework for your question number 2 is, what is your plan to convert those leads? Because you understand keywords, you're gonna start getting leads into your business. How do you plan to convert those leads into actual email subscribers? That's where the magic happens. We're really gonna be diving deep into that within Pin with Purpose. And then number 3, what is your plan to stay motivated, stay on track, and stay consistent with your Pinterest presence? All right, so that's it for today. What I need you to do is to post your homework in our Facebook community using the hashtag Pin2Profit Day 5. Show up live with me for our Q&A. I'll be answering any questions, helping you walk through some content ideas if you're getting stuck there, and having an in-house Pinterest party. You can bring champagne if you want. I will. And just a reminder, today is the last day of the contest. So if you want to be entered to win $1,000 towards one of our online courses, what I need you to do is share with me on Instagram something that you learned from today. So what was something that stuck out to you, or a picture of you doing your homework, just so I know you're in here with me, you're doing something, and then tag me on Instagram at She's Making an Impact and use the hashtag She's Making an Impact. And we'll be picking our winner tomorrow on Saturday. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in our Facebook group. Bye.